Purosangue, the vehicle is a new member in a lineup that already includes the stylish Roma, the modern 296, the wild SF90, to the luxurious 812. Depending on your perspective, it's time for this decision. However, one thing that is interesting, Ferrari distanced itself from the idea that their new model is actually an SUV. The Purosangue's configuration does make it look more like a bloated four-door sports car than a sport utility vehicle. Then, there's a lot of utility sacrifice in order to accentuate the sporty aspect, confirming that the people at Maranello have absolutely no interest in being crowd-pleasers. For starters, its modest 16.7 cubic feet of trunk volume seems to be a reference to the coupe's silhouette, emphasizing aerodynamics over absolute practicality. Ferrari put a great effort into stacking the Purosangue deck for a balanced layout. As such, the massive V12 engine is crammed into the firewall and the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox is the rear transaxle, which helps to achieve a 49/51 front-to-rear weight balance. The carbon fiber roof comes standard to ensure the lowest possible center of gravity. Interestingly, Ferrari settled on a rear opening passenger door arrangement for the Purosangue, complete with power-closing Bentley Bentayga EWB and Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The rear door opens with a 79-degree swing, which is essential for easy entry and exit, especially since the rear area is not very large. Purosangue doesn't use an eco-friendly drivetrain at all, at least not yet. He used a conventional setup, with a naturally large 6.5-liter V12 unit producing the highest output in Ferrari GT history, 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. That engine produces 80% of torque at just 2,100 revolutions per minute, peak power at 7,750 revolutions per minute, and a maximum rotational speed of 8,250 revolutions per minute. In terms of color, although titanium silver may not be ideal for a Ferrari, personally the Purosangue still looks elegant, especially the puffy hamstrings that help give the vehicle a sense of motion and emotion. All of that is mated to a dual-clutch transmission that offers 8 forward gears to choose from. The engine packs a new valvetrain and revised intake geometry, meant to aid low-end power delivery. In any case, Ferrari has taken the long-awaited leap forward, and frankly the Purosangue looks more balanced, refined, and attractive than a series of spy shots of the past.